everyone, this is Librarian Maggie here with our February craft. We are going to be making cute mini rolling pins for tiered trays. Tiered trays have become really popular. I still don't have one yet, but a lot of people I know do, so I thought it'd be fun to do something to decorate those. And if you're like me and don't have one, you can really put this anywhere. Put it on a little table, put it as a decoration anywhere. You could also turn it into a little ornament to hang up too if you want. So if you registered for this program, in your kit you will have pink and red paint. You'll have 2 wooden rolling pins, a brush, 2 pieces of ribbon, some decals, and transfer tape. And I do recommend before you start this, getting out a paper towel, or if you have a paper plate, whatever you want to use that'll protect your surface so you don't get paint anywhere that you don't want to. And we're gonna start by painting our pins. If you want, you can paint the entire rolling pin. It's completely up to you. I happen to like the look of the bare wood handles, and also it kind of gives you something to hold on to without messing up any paint. So it shouldn't take too much paint to coat it. Might want 1 coat or 2 coats, it's up to you. And the nice thing about chalk paint is that it has really good coverage, so you don't need a lot of coats. If you're just doing this at home, if you don't have a kit, you can use any kind of paint. It doesn't have to be the chalk paint. It could be acrylic paint, whatever you have. On the wood, it dries pretty fast. So that's 1 coat. You can tell that it's a light pink, but I am going to do a second one. Alright, and there we go. So you've got 1 done. And now, if you started with the pink like I did, you don't necessarily have to go and wash your brush. You can just move on to the red since it's darker. Just clean your brush off a little bit. And you can mix the colors too if you want to do that. If you want just a lighter red, or if you like dry brushing techniques, you can do that with both colors on the same rolling pin. I think I'm going to put 1 more coat on. You can paint the edges if you want, or you can leave them just wood, bare wood. Or you can also paint the whole rolling pin. So I'm going to let this dry now. And if you are using the chalk paint in the kits, they dry very quickly, which is really nice. So your first one should be ready already. Yep, perfect. See, I can touch it. And you'll see how little paint you use. So if you feel like this isn't a lot, it really goes a long way. So what we're going to do next is we're going to use our letters. You have letters and transfer tape. You don't need to use this, and I'm not going to start just to show you. Since it's only 4 letters, it's just really easy to pick them off and put them onto your rolling pin. I like it kind of right at the edge. If you want to put it in the middle, at the other edge, wherever you'd like it to go. These are permanent vinyl decals, so they will stick really well. A little bit close. And there you go. If you're going to use the transfer tape, definitely make sure this is very, very dry. Because you don't want to peel up any of your paint when you do this. And now all that's left is your ribbon. You can tie it around the handle itself if you'd like, or what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie it around the pink part. It's a nice little pop of color. And there you go. You're all set. If you want to make your bow a little smaller, or don't want the bow, or you want it around here, wherever you'd like it to go. And now I'm going to check on my red one here. It's not perfectly dry, so I'm not going to use my transfer tape, but all you do is, I'm just going to show you what to do. You'll peel off the clear, and you will stick it right on top of your letters, and just rub it and peel up your clear with your letters. And then it will allow you to place it on here in one shot instead of using, doing each letter one at a time. And if you're doing this at home with no kit, again, you can use any kind of letter stickers you might have, or if you don't want words on it, if you want to just put a heart, whatever you might have lying around. And you can also always do, you know, letters one under the other. If you want to do XOXO, that's also really cute. And same thing, you'll just tie your ribbon around. And there you have it. So I hope you have enjoyed this fun, easy craft. And if you have a tiered tray that these are going to go on, I would love to see a picture of how it comes out. Maybe it will inspire me to do one. And I will see you all in our next video.